Good afternoon, everybody. It's Wynn Brown with Haywood Healthcare's weekly update for Friday, July 31st, last day of the month. And so we're looking forward to see how our financial results pan out over the next probably 10 days as we close our books out and see if we continue our trend of solid return to operating performance. So I appreciate everything everybody's doing to keep us strong and doing well in the midst of this pandemic. Just an update on testing, because I know everybody likes to know that right up front. To date, we have tested 12,411 individuals, receiving 11,787 negative results, 525 positive, 93 indeterminate. Our cumulative positive rate is 4.2%, but our 7-day rate is 0.42, less than 0.5% versus the state at 2% positive rate right now. So thank you to the community for everything they're doing, you are doing to keep us well and keeping the pandemic tamped down in our region. There is a grid attached to this email which shows you town by town the positive rates in our region, and so you might really want to take a look at that. Statewide, 1.5 million people have been tested so far. Virus detected about 118,000 of those. In Worcester County, we're at 13,243 total cases and 398 in Franklin County, so inching toward the 400 mark there. So you can see those stats in the email that you're going to get with this. A reminder to all our staff that we have antibody testing available to any staff member who wants to get that done. They just have to call extension 6545 for an appointment. We do those on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 1 to 4. And there's information on the intranet as well for any of you who want to get that done. I know a lot of you have been doing it. The Board of Trustees is giving us all swag, a vest, a jacket, a backpack. 1,000 of you have responded with your order form, but that also means there's about 600 people who still need to do it. We need to get those orders in so we can get that the Haywood apparel ordered and get it to everybody by early September. So please take a moment to get that done. And there's information in an email for you, and you can just click on that. We also have a video showing how everything fits, because we can't really have a try-on area in the COVID pandemic. So some staff have stepped up to sport that apparel so you can see which one you might like. Also a reminder that mandatory education is due by August 31st, so please hop on HealthStream and get that done now so that you're not in a rush as we head to the close of the 12-month period to get that done. So thank you very much for that. Also, I think you've probably all heard on the news that there's a new COVID travel order issued by the governor, and we have our response to that and travel on our intranet, and there's a link here for you to see that and know what's expected of you as an employee if you're going to be traveling to any region that is not considered low in the pandemic. So really south of New Jersey and west of New York is that region. So please take a look at that. I know a number of folks have reconsidered their travel plans because of that and changed their vacation plans, and I think that's a wise move if you ask me, but everybody has to do what they need to do. But remember, when you come back, there's mandatory testing and potential quarantine if you do that. Reminder that the Yeti raffle, the big Yeti raffle we do with our golf tournament, the Watkins Faust Open, is available. You can link off of this email as well and buy some tickets to that. It's great. We've had an awesome week with the support of our community, and that tournament is doing very well in its new format. And I want to thank one of our tournament sponsors, GFA Federal Credit Union, and I just had a tour of their new facility downtown on Pearson Boulevard, and it is really beautiful and fantastic. So kudos to one of our trustees and the president of GFA Federal Credit Union, Tina Sprague, for the great investment that they are making in our community. And so just a shout out for that, and thank you for the very large donation that they made to support the health system as well. We did a nice photo op while I was there. Ride for Your Life starts tomorrow and continues through September 8th. For those participating, consider registering on our website, and there's a link for you to hop on that as well and get involved in that. It's become such a huge event for us, Riding for Mental Health, and I hope people take advantage of that. Again, another thank you to the Gardner Ale House and everybody who has supported the food card there. This week we had our security and IT teams got lunches provided by the Gardner Ale House, so thank you to the community and to the Ale House. And then, we've been doing a lot of work around food insecurity, and I want to thank our Food for Families Initiative team for their work. They have collected and packaged 1,600 bags of food for our community over the next 3 weeks. So a shout out to them, and a special thanks to Ken and Kevin Tomasetti at Advanced Cable Ties. As you know, they host that area for us to get that work done, and their staff participates in that, as well as Wayne Anderson from Gardner Public Schools for donating their time, because they also helped lend equipment to get that done and deliver food. So really a great community support for everything that we're doing as we continue our journey to be one of the best community-owned health systems in America. I hope you have a fabulous weekend, and I look forward to talking to you next week. Take care.